my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy Diaries YouTube channel. So today I am going to do a special thing with this sponge. So maybe you are too excited what I am going to with this sponge. But if you already check about the thumbnail, maybe the title or description, you already know what am I going to do. So let's go to give a brand new look to my bike. Oops, I think you can see some tools here, so I will explain them one by one. First, I like to say you, this is not the first clean, because you can see I already passed 1113 kilometers. So in this bike we need to give a first service at the 500 kilometers. So I already missed that video for you, but if you like to see 999 of memory of my bike, you can check about that in this video. So this is my first the home washing video, also home washing to my bike. So you can see there are too much muddy, also dust in here. You can see that there are a lot of dust here. So let's go to give a brand new look to my bike. So let's start the process. First, you already know we have sponge here. Also we need a bucket and we need a soapy water. So just I'm going to use this soapy bottle. However, just we need to mix it. But I had read the directions for use, but I can't see any red. Just we need to make a good soapy water, like when bubble come with that is the mixture. So however, let's go to start. First we need to rinse my bike with the water. First we need to rinse and remove the dust something. However, just we need to rinse it. Oops, I need to remove my bag from here. Yeah, just keep it here and we need turn on the tap. So let's go to turn on the tap. So first rinse water and get clean the bike from the dust, also muddy, because we need to protect the bike from the scratches when we rub with sponge with the soapy water. So first we need to remove the dust. So let's start removing process. Really I am I use my one hand to clean. It's not enough. Just after I remove those dust, you can see how many dust here. I already showed about that, show them. So yeah, so after all the dust and the muddy, so after I will see you in next step. So stay with me. So I am at the middle of the cliff. Yeah, you can see. So however, just we need to remove the dust, also muddy, not a proper wash. However, just need to make a fresh look with wet. Yeah, so that's it. Enough the fresh clean. So let's start a proper clean with the soapy water. So this is a reminder, if you like to watch more videos, please subscribe my channel. Also if you like this video, make a like and comment below. So however, I just like to say you something. I don't have a pressure guns or any equipments to hold the phone, or I don't have camera yet, but in future I will make beautiful videos, so just however, if you like those videos, please subscribe and stay with me. Yeah, so just we need make a soapy water. So I think enough we need make a water for there. So just we need to add the liquid soap into this and make a soapy water. So just enough the water. Let's run to stop the tap. Let's run. So mission completed. Again, we don't need run, we can go slow, but we need to do the video ASAP. So I'm going to open this, but just I need more hands. God, please give me more hands, because of I need hold my camera and do other actions with 2 hands. That's not enough. Yeah, I opened the cap. Oh my gosh, Is it this or seal or something? No, we need. Wait. Oh, yeah, that will come. However, it's like a liquid. That's not what I imagine. It's like a hand wash. So let's put into here. I think you can see my face, middle of the water. Yeah, just it's like a blue color. So however, just I take little bit more, and because I had already got middle of this bucket, middle of water in this bucket, so I just take like those. I think maybe enough. So just we need to close the cap of the bottle and keep it aside and just mix. I think there are a lot of bubbles here, so that's enough. I use my hands, but my recommendation use gloves. So however, in direction for use, there is no instruction about that, because this is soap. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I think add little bit more. Mix it. Oh yeah, mix it. Oh yeah, mix. It's look like hand wash, but it's look like it's like a hair shampoo. However, I'm not I'm not a right hand person, left hand person. I just need to use my right hand to clean, I mean scrub the bike. So just I will show you one scrub, and let's stop, and after fully scrub I will show you how it look like. So really this is too much hard, because of I said you I'm not left hand user, but I can do, but while recording I can't do that with left hand. I can do with left hand, but need to use right hand to reach every location in properly. So just see you after apply the soapy water fully on the bike, also rub the whole bike. Let's see you. However, I am at the middle of the rubbing process, so just I have to special thing for. So we are at the middle of the process, so just we have little bit. However, I think next time I need to take more than that, because of maybe there are few. No, we have to clean the tires. I forgot. No. That special thing is my oops. I forgot I have to clean the tire. So after the cleaning the tire, let's see you. I had said that's my mistake, because of I forgot to clean the tire. So that's why I said the mixture is too much, but however we have just little bit. We also have the first tire, the rear tire, front tire we already have, so rear tire is already clean. So just move to the front tire, and after that we have clean the chain. So I had already cleaned the front tire, also the rear tire, so the mixture is already out of that. So there is nothing into there. However, just we have really I absorb at the end of the mixture and clean every part of bike. So however, I also had the main stand and the side stand to clean, so that process is already done. Yeah, so this is after we rub the bike with the soap. So you can see there are some soap forms here still. You can see that just we need to clean the soap, and then I will see you in soon as possible. So I had cleaned the chain well, because I had test some, I mean I had already run on the off-road mode, so there are a lot of maybe some dust in the chain, so I already clean with this sponge, so we can't use this anymore. Yeah, so the rubbing process is already done, so just we need to also scrub process is already done. So I mean scrubbing the chain, rubbing, maybe it's also scrub. So however, scrub process is already done, so just we have to clean the soap form with the rinse of foam. So let's need to run to open the tap, so let's just run. Mission completed. However, just we always need to run. Water is not waited at me, So however you little bit out. Yeah, so just I'm going to wash the soap foam. So after that, I can't hold the camera on my hand and wash this. So after, see you in soon. So this is reminder, I'm at the middle of uh, the soap foam washing process stage. So how, just I like to remind you, so if you like this video, please make like, also comment down your idea. So also if you like to watch like these crazy diaries videos, please subscribe my channel. So after the fully washed the soap forms, I will see you in soon. So story by story we had reached the end of the whole process. Oops, my phone camera, yeah, that's it. So however, just really at the dark, you can't, maybe the camera will also, you know camera work with the darkness, but this is really too much dark in here. So however, just this is the how it look like after the whole cleaning process. So just I had already cleaned the soap forms. I think you can check how darkness in here in my phone camera, it will show clearly the darkness. However, the back camera is okay more than that. Yeah, just this is however like that. Just really I need to dry this using a form of towel, and after that we have the process of give a shine to my bike. So in that, really I can't show you in this video because we need to go inside the home, and with that lightning we can't do it properly. So in next video, maybe another video, I will show you how to give a good good shine for that. So this is how it looked like after the process. So this is not my ending because I not thought it will be too like this darkness. So however, this video is like this. I'm not imagining to end this with like, yeah. So at the end of the day I will do a correct video. So yeah, I think maybe you can see me. Yeah, so yeah, this is how I give a brand new look to my bike, but I think you can't see that. So however, in next another video I will show how to give a shine for that. Yeah, that's video, the end of the video. I don't thought it will be like that. I'm really sorry for that. So yeah, however I know a day will come with my thoughts, also my plans, how I need to record the video with camera. When I move back camera, may sometimes it will be blur or shake lens. So however, just yeah, at the end of the day I will do a great video. So yeah, how this is, I give a brand new look to my bike. So if you like to watch more these videos, please make a like, also comment down. So don't think about this video quality and everything, I always remember you. So just however I can do right now, but end of the day I will do a great video. So until then, if you like these videos, please subscribe and my channel and be with me. So be crazy. This is Mr. Crazy Diaries.